at the marina. Strange feeling when you buy a boat. It's like, have I done the right thing? Done the wrong thing? Have I shot myself in the foot? Do I really need a bigger 34-foot sailing yacht when I've already got a 29-foot? What's wrong with having two boats? This is the boat yard where they're doing some work on boats. That's where you can have your boat hauled out or transported to. Nice cold morning, and all the boats are down the other end there, and we're going off to the office. Big day, big day. Look forward to this. Pete's coming down in a few hours to check out that my boat's bigger and faster than his. Gonna be fun. Off to the office. Talk later. We'll have a pass, and we can enter the security gate at the marina. No pass, you don't get in this place. I think we just put the pass on there, and the gate opens. Now we're going to go and find this boat, if I can remember where it is. Some interesting boats in here. I'll take you for a walk around later with the GoPro and show you what's here. There's one over there that looks like a zipper off your jeans. And there is Sun Lotus, looking nice and dirty just over the back there. It'll be a bit of a DIY project, but hell, nothing wrong with a good project. Let's see what's here. Between the boats, and there is my new beast, Sun Lotus 2, 34-foot trekker. Bit of an old girl, needs a good scrub, clean, but she's going to come up looking nice. Let's get the covers off, let's get inside, get the engine cranked up, get some heaters on, and see what she is. Oh yeah. She's going to need a good clean. Look at them windows. It's all got to be repainted, polished, cleaned. But she's going to look sexy when she's done. So, down at the boat. Let's go and have a look and see what we've got. Covers are off. Take one hell of a bit of polishing to get this thing polished up. And that's the covers off. It's our Ray Marine travel meter, which is nice if it works. And let's have a look inside. We have the main cabin. Gonna take all this crappy film off the windows today. Radio, all the stuff the owner left. Interesting. A lot of interesting stuff. We come down here. We have a nice old dirty kitchen, which we'll be cleaning today. Get some fresh air in this boat. The front cabin. V-berth, all full of storage. A bit musky in here, needs a good clean. Cupboards, all sorts of stuff kicking around. We'll go through the whole boat today and see what's what and get rid of the rubbish. Have the bathroom, the head, all nice. Then we have the rear cabin. It's a great looking space. Look at that, for a rear cabin. Cupboards, bedroom, big double bed, bathroom, shower. It's a good clean. Heater blower. Outlet grilly. Let's check that. interesting boat. Looking forward to this. And